This one is definitely bigger than the other. So you walk in, living room, kitchen. The stairs are right in front of you as you walk in, and your bedroom is right to the right when you walk in. And you've got a big circle right here. So bedroom, bathroom, and we come through to the kitchen. Here's your washer dryer. Back porch. And upstairs. When you get to the top of the stairs, you've got your game room right here. It's a pretty big room in here. Pool table, sitting area, foosball table. Got a TV and projector screen up here on the wall. And then your bathroom, second bathroom and bedroom. Just circles back out.